1962 Buick LeSabre with a 401 6.2 liter convertible. Some wheels. California throwback for me. Check it out. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's got all new piping. The manifolds back. Still got factory manifolds on it. But there it is. There and there. Then we put two glass packs by AP. There'll be a link in the description for them. 12 inches long. There and there. Then 2 1/4 pipe continues all the way back on each side. And then look at the crazy design for it to go through. It has to go between the tire and the spring and clear the shock. And then go back through the frame over here. And then comes out the back. There was actually a muffler here that we took out, which is right there. It was a cross flow muffler right there. So we took it out and ran it straight out the back. We flipped these around and made it run straight out the back on this side and straight out the back on this side. As you guys can see, everything's hidden. Everything's like clean and tucked. Same thing goes on this side. See the pipe all the way throughout. Really nice. X-frame design. And it's just a clean bodied car. He's been building it. He's had it for 2 years now. He's going to put hydraulics on it. So stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Looks like it has a pretty new top on it too. His interior, it's all clean. He's getting it done. LeSabre. See that? Really nice. But I like the badging on it. Check it out, guys. It's cool. It's nice. Got a really nice stance to it. That's when cars had design, man. Lines, sexy lines. Just nice all the way around. Oh, really? Oh, I'm sorry, man. Does it have a... Hold it down. Each one is different, man. The older cars. Oh, that sounds good. No? Okay. Is it too loud or too quiet? How much quieter you want it? No, it's too loud. Yeah, how much quieter? It's too loud, right? No? We can change it. There's a lot of other stuff we can make to make it quiet. How much quieter you want? I kind of like it. Again? About 1/5 too loud, right? It's too loud for him, so we're gonna change it up. Stay tuned, guys. So we'll let you guys on this Buick LeSabre 62. We'll let you guys hear what it sounded like with glass packs, but it was way too loud for him. So we went back in, cut these glass packs off, and installed 2 stock mufflers, one there and one there. So it's a lot quieter, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think. Tell us if he should have kept the glass packs or installed these mufflers. Honestly, I like the glass pack sound, but let's see what it sounds like stock. Everything else stayed the same, as you guys can see. All right, so stay tuned, and we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. So it's a lot quieter now. Man, the other one sounded better. It's too quiet. You should have heard it before. It sounded so good. Here's sound decibels. Okay, again. Right at 98. It still sounds good though. Sounds like a classic. Go ahead and back it out just really slowly. How much we have to back up? It's so long. Probably 19 feet long. Stop right there. And just, we'll do a rev out here. Rev it. Perfect. Enjoy it, boss. Thank you. Much better? She's definitely a cruiser, man. Here we go. Get on it, okay? There she goes.